I'm Will Sampson from FDMC magazine and the Woodworking Network. We're in the shop today to talk about yet some more plastic fasteners. Boy, we seem to be in a plastic fastener revolution right now, with all sorts of companies coming out with plastic fasteners for joinery and different applications. This is a product called Button Fix that we're going to talk about today. It was developed in the UK, but it is now available in the United States. It gets its name from these little button-shaped fasteners that can screw to cabinet or any kind of woodworking part. The round button fasteners come in two different varieties. One takes a regular flathead wood screw, and this one is designed for the construction screws on 32 millimeter cabinets. But those little buttons snap into a variety of different fittings. This one here can snap right into, show you how it works. Snap that into the fitting, and there it is, and it snaps out just as easy. And then to help you, I'll show you some more of these fittings actually. This particular fitting here can be mounted flush against a panel like that, or it can be turned around, and this part here can be set into a rabbeted slot. There's a flat one that's designed to be put on with adhesive backing. There is an oval one that is designed to be completely flush mounted into a mortised oval hole, and then there is this right angle one, which is very interesting. And I thought when I first got this one that this would be a great opportunity for right angle joinery and cabinet parts, but I was a little disappointed by the results. I'll show you how it works, and you can judge for yourself. I have these two parts here. I put the button on that side, and I put the right angle part on this side. And when I snap them together, it takes some firmness to snap it in, and that's great, and it seems solid, but there is a fair amount of play here. And so if you were wanting to use this for serious right angle joinery, you'd probably have to put quite a few of these along the edge to make it strong enough for most applications. But where these really excel, and I think it's the primary application that they were designed for to begin with, is for putting decorative panels on cabinet ends or anywhere, you know, even an elevator or anywhere that you need to put a flat panel on a flat surface. And for this application I used two of the triangle type fittings, and one of the great things about these two is they come, I'll zoom in here again for just a quick thing so you can see, they also come with these great little fittings that have a point on them so that you can put the fitting into place and press it against whatever it is you're going to do, and that puts a locator button. There's also square ones for different applications too, so that you can locate the parts really easily without a lot of fuss and measuring and that sort of thing. But let's show you how this works with a panel. With the two triangular fittings here, and then I screwed on the two buttons here. It's really simple. to just put that in place, snap it down, and it's solid and nice and organized and all lined up. And taking it off is just as easy. Lift it up, snaps off, and there you have it. So with all of these different kinds of applications, I think that the button fix is particularly great if you're wanting to put up decorative end panels, to cover appliance panels, any of those kinds of things. This is an application that is worth looking into. They're available in North America through Hafele and Lee Valley now. And there may be other outlets later on. But again, it's called Button Fix. You can learn more about it at their website, which is button-fix.com. To see more tool reviews and product videos and the latest in woodworking news, go to our website, which is woodworkingnetwork.com. Thanks for watching.